Hello. Yes, it's been a long time. Yes, I know. You're all welcome back to my channel. This is Revnor Skincare. Yes, I know it's been a long time. Yeah, I've been kind of busy preparing for my wedding, which is next month. Yeah. I'm going to be a married woman next month. Yes, you're all invited. Okay, you know the drill. If you're just passing by for the very first time, please click on the subscription button and become a subscriber, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I post a new video. Yes, so today I want to show you how to make your dark spot eraser lotion. Yes, this lotion is going to be for tough dark spots. Wherever you have dark spots, yeah, this lotion is for you. I want to show you how to DIY this lotion. Okay, so let's get straight down to the video. Okay, so today we will need just about 5 ingredients for this production. Wow, noise. I will need just about 5 ingredients for this production. First thing you need is your pure body whitening lotion. Okay, this has ingredients like, it's made out of carrot. You know, carrot is a whitening agent on its own. Yes, carrot oil is formulated with carrot oil and other special whitening extracts. Okay, this body lotion will help clear hyperpigmentation, aging spots, acne marks, and skin discoloration. Okay, that's our first ingredient for today. Second one is our pure white gold glowing lotion. Okay, pure white gold glowing lotion. And other things we'll need today: lactic acid and glycolic acid, also salycilic acid. These are exfoliants, they are exfoliating acids. Okay, they, once you put them into your product, they're going to exfoliate your skin and leave it really smooth. Okay, so that's that for the ingredients for today. You'll also need a mixing bowl and a spoon. Make sure your equipment that you use are always clean to prevent bacteria, okay, in your product, and we know what those can cause in our skin. All right, so always make sure to sterilize your equipment before you use them. All right, these are clean already, they're already sterilized, so I'm just going to go right ahead and do this mix. Okay, so I'm not making a lot for this production today. I'm just going to make a little, and then I'm just sending this out, so I'm making just a little quantity. All right, so for my pure whitening, I'll just use I'll be using 5 tablespoons. Well, I already did 5 tablespoons. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then my gold, pure white gold, I'll be using 4 teaspoons of this. that for I'll give that a good mix before I add in my lactic and glycolic and salycilic. Okay, so before I add in the other ingredients like the lactic, glycolic, and salycilic, I'm going to mix it in a separate bowl and then pour the mixture into the lotion. Okay, so in here I have 1 teaspoon of my salycilic powder, and 1 teaspoon of my lactic acid and 1 teaspoon of my glycolic acid. I'm just going to mix that up properly. And then I'll add that into my lotion. Mix. Give it a good stir so that all ingredients are incorporated nicely. Okay, I'm done mixing that. I'm just going to put this in my container and we are done. Okay, so that's our dark spot eraser lotion for tough dark spots. All right, this is it. Yep. Okay guys, so there we have it, our tough dark spot eraser lotion. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful to you, please give us a huge thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.